In this video, I share with you a balustrade roof idea we wanted to test, and I think I like what it came out as. Hopefully you'll like it too. Stay tuned. I gave a design to Yao, my trusted metal guy. Yao was the same guy who did our gate, and also was the one who did the designed the steel cat frame that closes the outside kitchen. He is good. I like him and I like his work. So I gave him the design and he got to work on it. I let him know that I didn't have a lot of time. And luckily, he had just finished some work, so he told me he had time and he could do it. And they finished this one in a couple of days. Reason why I wanted to test only that space, and it ended up being beneficial, even though that benefits was accidental. We didn't know if that was going to be the case. Reason why I wanted to do it that way was I didn't know how the design would look. So I wanted to test it out on the smallest of the spaces first. And if I liked what it turned out as on the building, then we could continue with the work. So him and his boys got to work. They fabricated this piece that you see here. He shared videos with me along the way. I even stopped by and took videos myself of some of the early parts of the process. And when they were done, they came to decide to install it. Everything came out good. Yao is really, really good. I've advertised his work on my channel a few times. He's one of the few people that I believe I can, really trust when it comes to, I've given, recommendations to other people who've used them and can testify to, how good of a professional he is. Even when I don't have work for Yao to do, every once in a while I get, a voice note from him, just checking on me, saying a prayer for me. That's the kind of heart that he has. And for me, with Yao, it's not just the front, right? I think he's genuinely noble, genuinely humble, and very, very professional. He does his work well. So if you like what you see and you want to get information about Yao, let me know. You can ask me in a comment and I'll share with you. The breeze. See how windy it is up here?
What's up now?
Abe,
a drop and a wood.
Abe, to the home on your door, I'll buy this 7 to me. You.
Okay. As I go young man back, you blew one back.
The Pepto Bismol house.
What was that for the other thing?
I'm more actually there, so. I said, well, you know, send her there. I said to screed wa. It's a basso. It's also a screedy. To me, hope you say, and she has said too much.
Oh, there be a sending.
Say, you manage.
Minimum de base mangulo. Na pombe jima beja. O pombe jima beja.
I no crow. Say pulling no. Air dancing pushing. There's any more back. I say.
Na bi umpeja han raising ba just as be ba nanim ensi from e ko sase o motum
We'll be by inside first. Okay. Ebe si o.
And then you want more from Pega and I'm bamboo in our most right. Yes. Olha o dinheiro dessa, a mamãe pia. Essa, uso pia. Ele vai.
Yeah, man.
I see what class is.
The gap underneath the sliding door that you can see is the accidental work that I said we ended up doing. We had to screed this space. Screening wasn't part of the plan when I came to Ghana, but we had to screed this place so that the frame will be able to rest on something solid instead of hanging in the air like that before we put the heavy glass and mesh in. So it was good that we did this because we were able to screed the balcony as well so that it would catch the balustrade.
I look at it a bit more. Okay.
You know what I mean?
Ya ba book ni tawo.
Bag.
What you say? 3 inches.
Good morning, Francis.
3 inches. Watch many videos. What does I say? I need the whole. I am actually.
This has been a really fulfilling trip. Yeah, troubles notwithstanding, but I've had a good time since I've been here. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for following along. Thank you for subscribing and sharing. I appreciate every single one of you. Till next time, God bless.